Sound. All right, there's that sound. You guys should be able to hear me right now on the free Friday stream as well. And basically, you guys can hear me on 3 different channels right now. So, yeah, let's go. Let me discuss the spy as I have been updating basically this whole week in the private Discord room. I've been updating about the development here on the spy. This is my daily chart, guys. Um, Oh, my chart went away. This is the daily chart, guys, and this is the 5, and here's the 1 minute. But obviously, I'm watching overall the 5 and the daily chart. As we have been coming down here, I'm not here to predict, oh, we're gonna have a market crash or whatever, or I'm just looking at what I'm seeing, and based on what's happening on the chart, I'm trying to form a plan, a thesis going into the day. And as I've been warning throughout the week, obviously I've been playing some longs here and there, but again, the SPY is, in my opinion, still in this downtrend. And right now, yeah, basically we have paused a bit, we are stalling. This white line has been holding as support throughout the week. You can see here a couple of taps on that. And again, in my opinion, that will mean, you know, the SPY needs to pick a direction. It is trying to stall again on this support level, some sideways action, aka consolidation. And from there, if the SPY will be able to hold this as support, then I want to see a pop, a pullback, a higher low, and then getting out of this basically this downtrend here. And yeah, this morning here in the pre-market, you can see that 426 held to a T, and we're having a little bounce. But again, the danger, it's not cleared yet. And we had here earlier this week a quick pierce through that level and reclaimed again another tap on that level, and it popped. So again, the SPY will do its best to defend that level, and again, will it be able to do so? Who knows? But let the stock tell you what it's gonna do. I'm not here to predict. I'm here to react. Yeah, so that's that on the SPY, guys. Yeah, let's start with IMPP. So if you're gonna locate, make sure you are locating the correct stock, because I've been having trouble with saying IMPP instead of IMMP. But yeah, I don't have to do PP, but here we go. IMPP. Pop here towards 250s. I think the float is pretty low. Hey, thank you, Tim Piper. Let me check. Where's the thing? Yeah, so nearly 3 mil on that. You can see here some big candles, some volume on that. But again, it's not able to sustain its gap. Obviously, gonna be looking for a short on this name. But hopefully, you can see the pre-market highs here at 250 has been tapping into this daily chart resistance. Hopefully, it can rip through it, create some more meat to the bone, and then give me a short setup. You can see, the 5 minute here, obviously, and the 1 minute. It's trying to hold right now on that VWAP there at the 204 level. So that's IMPP. What else do we got? What else? Yeah, I'll be watching, of course, Apple. Interesting name here. They reported earnings yesterday. Again, same thing as with the SPY, guys. You can see basically on the daily, actually, on this one, it has been tapping here around this 168 level as support. Post market after earnings, it actually held as resistance. Right now in the pre-market, we'll see if we can get that pop out of the gate towards that level. If it's able to hold as resistance, I'll be actually looking for a short on Apple. So just to be aware of that. Again, it's the same story with the SPY. This thing, came down obviously from the highs, trying to hold support here. And if you look at this level here, this 154, you can see here it was holding as resistance. Will it hold support? I don't know. It has to prove itself. but I'm gonna play the action in between here, and if it's going to give me a setup, then I will be there. Yeah, lots of folks are looking at this INBO. To be honest, I don't have any interest in it. You can see it already faded with a big nasty red candle. I'll keep it on a watch list here just in case, guys. But again, no real interest in this name. Let me check here. Disney, again, depending on the overall market, like yesterday, I was keeping an eye on this, but it wasn't able to hold and give me a setup for a long. But you can see here Disney actually giving a better example. It is going sideways, and if it's gonna decide to get out of that level, I want to be there for the potential long. Not saying it will do it in one day, but we do have a potential gap to fill. But again, it will depend on the market. Tesla, Money Buddha. Yeah, Tesla does look pretty nasty, and I don't know if that karaoke feature will help them here. You can see Tesla actually broke this support level, and it is still headed down. If you know you want to look for something to trade on Tesla, I would rather look for a pop, maybe 845 or even 850s, depending on how fast and where it will go, and then look for some topping action to see if we can get some continuation to get towards this psychological level of 800. That's something to keep an eye on this Tesla. Robinhood, Hood. It will depend. Right now, it does look weak. You can see here, it has been selling off completely throughout the year after that fiasco that they had earlier or at least early in last year with removing the buy button. I'm just kidding. They restricted selling shares of GME and I believe AMC as well. But yeah, some people will say this is karma. I don't know. I'm just gonna be looking for a trade here. Right now, it does look weak. Could be looking for for a continuation to the downside, and maybe we could take out the post-market lows here as well. Maybe go into 9,850. It will depend, but if I'm gonna be short biased, I don't want to chase that weakness. I want to see a pop, a reject on that VWAP. But if we get weakness, if Hood is actually or will be able to pull that off to pop back above that VWAP and create a potential long setup, I'm going to be looking for just a quick bounce on the long side. So nothing to behold, and I'm not going to look for the moon or this gap fill. I'm just giving an extreme example here, but again, I'm going to be looking for, maybe something closer towards a red to green trade here or even 12. It will depend on how the action will be after the open. Yep, I mentioned Disney, Hood, Tesla, Apple. Anything else, guys? You got any other tickers? You guys got the opportunity to look at the charts as well right now. Just shout them out wherever you are, either in the YouTube stream with the charts or the scanner, Discord, wherever. And otherwise, let's get ready and let's get ready for that pain. You're not a cat. Yes, sir. And of course, guys, don't forget to give the thumbs up on the channel, on all of the channels. The more likes, the better. And for those who just joined the stream, don't forget, guys, you're watching a delayed stream. That's the one with the scanner. And you'll hear this message in 2 minutes or so before the market open. If you want to join us in our private Discord room to get access to the live scanner, we got the live screen share in there as well daily, by the way, from our other moderator, John. He does also the live commentary. I post in there my opinions, my ideas, and whatnot. Also, my trades, if I get the chance, if I'm not giving them out through the mic here, through the microphone. And yeah, I know who that guy is, Z-Knife. The guy's from Reddit. He was holding that GME position. And yeah, just to finish the story there, guys, if you want to join, use the link precisiondaytrading.com. It's posted in all of the descriptions just under the video, guys. And make sure to punch in the discount code NEWSUB as well to get that 35 bucks. Alrighty, 3 minutes to go here. I'm gonna thank you guys for those who joined here in this stream with charts. Again, appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the regular channels. Good luck out there. And I'll switch now off and go back to the